The research article titled Teaching Narrative Reading by Using the Subtext Strategy for Islamic Senior High School Students, published in Third Journal Pendidikan Islam, explore the challenges faced by Indonesia high school students in compressing English narrative text and process an effective pedagogical approach to address this issue. In the context of globalization, English is regarded as a critical international language, facilitates access to global knowledge, education, and career application in Indonesia. The government maintains English as a core subject throughout primary and secondary education, and it includes the national examination for senior high school students. Despite this effort, national and international assessments such the Program for International Student Assessment (PISA) have constantly shown that Indonesia students rank low in reading proficiency compared to students in other countries. The article underscores that many Indonesian students struggle with reading English text due to variety of factors, including a lack of motivation, limits vocabulary, inability to infer meaning, and difficult understanding the structure and element of narrative text. These difficulties are exacerbated by a lack of engaging teaching strategies that stimulate students' interest in reading. To overcome challenge, the study investigates the implementation of the subtext strategy, a method to help students interpret implied meaning with text and enhance their overall reading comprehension. This strategy implies making inference, forming connection with characters, understanding effect, perspective, and reflect critically on textual elements that are not affected. Several scholars, such as Lessing and Hart, are that the subtext strategy further differ engagement by from students to analyzing what characters say and think, and by encourage them to record their inflection and reaction to good not talking. The process often includes occasioning color to differentiate between the character spoken internal talk. Occasioning color differentiate between a character spoken words and internal talks, thereby helping students immediately key narrative concepts and think more clearly about plot development and character motivation. This approach not only develops student inferencing and analysis skill but also supports the cultivation of empathy and further cognitive engagement with literary text. The study iterates a quasi experimental research design involving a variance potential match with no equivalent control group. The practical where 11 grade students from MA Fatra Mandiri Palembang Islamic Senior High School in South Sumatra, Indonesia. The students were divided into two groups. The experimental group recaps interaction using the subtext strategy, while the group was took through confirmation means both groups understood the same present and first test to measure any difference in their reading comprehension abilities. The finding of the study revealed a socially significant improvement in the performance of students who were took use the subtext strategy. Informal review with English teacher also support this result in coding. The student become more engaged, so increase interest in narrative text and will be better able to understand complex stories and track character dynamic. The data further suggests that students who intently demonstrate low positive the subtext strategy, deflecting a deeper interest in reading and a more meaningful interaction with text. Moreover, the study emphasizes that reading in comprehension, especially in the context of narrative text, requires more than just decoding written words. Involves interpreting analysis and analyzing information to form a coherent understanding of the others in the overall message of the text. The subtext strategy by encouraging this high-order thinking process appears to be practically effective in helping students navigate this cognitive damage through the integration of this strategy into classroom practical. Students not only gain academic skill but also develop critical thinking and self-reflection abilities that valuable the English classroom. The thinking process appears to be particularly effective in helping students negative these cognitive demands. The integration of this strategy is classroom practical. Students it only gain academic skill but also develop critical thinking and self-reflection abilities that valuable but the English classroom. The research conclude that the subtext strategy should be increased available to English language teaching, particularly in contexts where students face motivation and cognitive barriers to reading. They recommend that educators around Indonesia and similar education setting adopt this approach to improve student reading comprehension outcomes and foster a more engaging and effective English learning experience.